In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your IP in less than 1 or 2 minutes using VPN. So if I going on Google then type what's my IP, then you can see it's Bangladesh Chattogram. So okay, now you need to going on my video description. Then if you click on the first link, you are redirected to this website. It's called like Shark VPN. So you need to click on get Shark VPN. Then you are going to this page download page. Then you need to log in with your Gmail, and it's only $2 per month. Only $2 per month. It's very cheap, and 7 day free trial you will get. Then you need to download an extension which is you prefer and match on your PC. Then if I going on pricing, you can see it's around $2 per month. It's $1.99. So I already download an extension. Then I'm going on extension option. Then click on the Shark VPN extension. Then I want to connect with United States. Then you can see it's already processing to changing. Oh, United States. If I now going on this website again, then refresh my page, then I confirm you this is United States, North Carolina. Carolina. So this is a method how you can change your IP. Lots of VPN, free VPN on online have they offer you free, but this is not secure because when you using 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, then it will be disconnect without notify you, and this is very annoying. So I recommend you for this VPN. This is very cheap, $2 per month. See you again. Take care. Bye.